Hello, I'm Sam Dare, and I am going to show you guys how to change a lens on the new ThriftyCam. Alright, so we're going to first start by showing how to adjust the focus point of the lens, and we do that just by turning the lens itself there. So we'll plug it in, and we're going to focus on that April tag on the wall there. You can see it's pretty badly out of focus. And I'm just going to turn this lens till it drops back into focus. Perfect. So now I would add a little dab of hot glue between the carrier and the lens itself. But since we're just going to take this lens off, I'll skip that part. So this lens here is our shortest focal length lens, and we'll make sure all that's clear in the documentation. But we actually have to take the lens carrier off for this one. So I unplugged the camera, so there's no power to it. And then there's two screws here. I'm just going to go ahead and take those off. Being very careful not to damage any of these small electrical components. Okay, and now this is free. You can see the board just has the image sensor on it, and all of these lenses do come with lens covers. Now we're going to align this. And you can feel it kind of snap into place. That's what it's supposed to do. And then we'll take the screw. We'll screw that one in a little bit. Snap this one back in place. And we're just going to want to switch between screws so we make sure that both are getting equally tight. That one's tight. And that's tight. Now we're going to plug power back into it so we can see if we can focus it here. You can see that coming into focus. Just like that. All right. So that is how to change the lens on the ThriftyCam. This is, again, the lowest focal point lens. So I'll show you what we would do if we just had to take this out and what to be careful of here next. So this will actually come all the way out of the holder. And you want to be really careful once you get to the end here because you don't want it to fall. So that's what that looks like. And then I can do the same with this one. And obviously this one's a lot longer. And then Normally you'll just be able to screw this one directly onto there. All right. Now if this was the right mount, I'd be able to focus that, but since it's not, I won't go through the focusing step there. So to store these, I like to just put these on there like that, and then take your lens cap, put it on there. And that's about it for today. Thanks for joining us. Find this and more at thethriftybot.com.